project alert, new project alert, new project alert. We're gonna start by cleaning this baby up. Gonna clean it up. So it's up to your discretion on if you would choose to sand your piece of wood. The reason why I'm gonna sand this one is because there's some spots on it you could tell that the previous owner may have put something on it too long that sat there. So I would like to scrape these things off. So that's the reason why I'm gonna go ahead and sand it down, because otherwise I usually don't care to sand. It's so smooth already that I feel like I don't really have to do much. But once this dries, I will sand. Then tomorrow I would add a additional coat to it, and then I'll decide on if I need to do 3 coats. But as of now, I have 1. A partner here, Spunky Rinks. She's got paint on her too. Yay! Look at this thing, guys. this is coat number 3. I'm gonna do another coat right now. I did some earlier and it dried, but as you can see, it's still some little imperfections in there, so I'm gonna go ahead and put another coat on for the day. It's raining. Every time that I bring this thing out here, it starts to rain. But this time I put it over here so that the rain don't touch it unless it really gets windy. So this is the completed table. Ignore that I have to vacuum. I should have vacuumed before I put it there, but I wanted to know exactly where I was gonna put it in my house. Yeah. I'm gonna get some centerpieces and things like that, and maybe some runners to make it look a little bit more pretty. But for now, this is what we get. That's with 4 coats of paint. I didn't do any finishing because I don't know if I'm gonna keep it when I move. So it all goes off of how well I make it look. Then I may decide to keep it or not, or sell it.